Your kitchen is one of the hardest working rooms in your home. With our busy lives, families and pets, even the most robust kitchens can look tired or dated after a few years. Replacing your kitchen cupboards can be costly, but with DC Fixtures self-adhesive film, you can give your damaged or old-fashioned cupboards a makeover for a fraction of the cost. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply the Sheffield Oak Pearl Grey vinyl to modernise your cupboards and give them a new lease of life. But before you get started, you'll need a DC Fix application kit containing a smoother and a scalpel, sharp scissors, a pencil for marking up, a measuring tape, and a clean cloth or duster. Begin by removing the door from the unit and the handles from the door. Then place it on a flat surface. Ensure the door is free from dust and grease prior to application. Using the grid on the backing paper as a guide, mark out the area and cut the film to size, allowing a couple of centimetres excess to fold around the edges. Remove a corner of the backing paper to expose the vinyl and apply it to the door. Press down on the film with your smoother, removing the backing paper as you go. Your vinyl is easy to work with, so if the sheet is crooked or you get an air bubble in the film, simply pull it back and reapply, or push the bubble to the edge with your smoother. Alternatively, use a pin to prick a hole in the film and release the air. For neat edges, make a cut along the corner of the door and fold the excess film underneath the flap. The overlap only needs to be about 1 centimetre wide, so you can cut off any excess. Finally, fold the edge of the film over the corner and smooth it down. Once the corners are complete, turn the door over and smooth down any remaining vinyl on the back. Then let it bond for 24 hours before refitting the handle and doors. Now your kitchen cupboards are ready to enjoy. The vinyl is very durable and easy to wipe down using a damp cloth. So, I hope that shows you just how easy it is to let DC Fix modernise your kitchen cupboards.
open arm wraps, I'm going to show you how to receive that. The door has kind of frame in it. First of all, I cleaned everything really good. The edges and over here, rubbing alcohol and the water and make it really red. Next, what I did was use cotton heat one and a little cotton ball. I tried to trim the edges right here all the way around the back side of the shirt. With this guy, it's clear and cool. And somehow it makes the final stick better. Next thing, I made strips. They're about 4 inches wide and about 1 inch square. And also, I made honestly about an inch over. You can actually see what I did is I double cut right here, so it's totally flush. I mean, it's totally flush, and you can see the quality of the edges and everything. So it is possible to wrap cabinet doors that have the frames like this. It's just more challenging for more time consuming, but I would do strips and then double cut over this right here. And so you're gonna be looking at this, but it still looks great. The back end, I usually leave about 1/8 of an inch on the back. I usually use the heat gun at the end of it, but you can definitely see the quality of the wood. If you have any comments down below, and I'd love to talk to you. If you're planning to bring more, go to RMwraps, go to RMwraps.store.com to see the Di-Noc and Belbien material, and there's how-to videos on the left side of the website, and everything else there. And here, except I'm here for you. If you need a color, give me a call, if you look at the material, go to the website, see my prices and stuff like that, but definitely connect. Oh, my phone number is 208-696-1180. My email address is RMwraps@gmail.com. Thank you.